Welcome to a day in the life of an actor. Actually, a few days. I just finished shooting an audition. Yes, that is my kitchen, and this is my dining room that's turned into a studio. I'm gonna edit it. I work on Bel Air tomorrow, and wish me luck. Good morning. Last night I shot an audition, and it's due at 9. It's 7:30. I'm going to edit it and send it over, and then I'm going to go take a COVID test just so I can work today on set at Bel Air. COVID test was all good, so I'm off the set. Here we are at Bel Air. My call time was 2 o'clock today, and they've actually just broken for lunch. I get some free food, which is always good. This is what I'm going with, some basic chicken. Makeup and hair is done, and now it's just a waiting game. And that's one of the things about shooting a TV show, is that they're gonna call you in really early. They're gonna get you all ready, and then you're gonna wait until it's time for you to shoot. And the reason why they do that is because they just wanna make sure that the crew isn't sitting around waiting for you to get out of hair and makeup. I've just been kind of chilling out, reading, but waiting is definitely a part of the film and television business. Finally finished shooting my episode of Bel Air. I'm pretty tired, but I've got to finish up the lesson plan for my class at AFI tomorrow, which is the American Film Institute. I am teaching a group of young directors class called Directing Actors. I've got the bones of it, but I've got to do the finishing touches on it tonight for my class, so headed home to do that. I am teaching here at AFI, and I'm actually really excited about teaching this class because I do feel that oftentimes directors really struggle with their communication with actors, and when we're working on set, it's just such a high pressure situation that there's really no freedom to make a lot of mistakes. So oftentimes the directors will communicate what they want, but the actors don't necessarily understand. It's almost like directors and actors speak in two different languages. So anyway, I'm super excited to contribute in this way.